Hello students, this is Ashish. So I am here to teach you maths. So let me introduce myself first. This is Ashish Yadav. I have completed my academics from University Model School Agra and I am pursuing BA from Agra University to Bhimrao Ambedkar University. I have 2 years plus teaching experience as a home tutor and 8 to 9 month teaching experience as a school teacher. So let's start the chapter. So the chapter name is Roman numerals. Today we speak about the Roman numerals, how to change Hindu Arabic numbers into Roman numerals. So first let's talk about what are Hindu Arabic numbers. So those numbers which we currently used, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, these are the Hindu Arabic numbers. So let's start the chapter. So firstly we learn about how to change Hindu Arabic numbers into Roman numerals. So let's talk about the Hindu Arabic numbers. So all natural whole numbers, these are the Hindu Arabic numbers. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the Hindu Arabic numbers. If you want to change these Hindu Arabic into Roman numerals, so these are the basic numbers that you have to learn. 1 we represent as I, 5 we represent as V, 10 we represent as X, 50 we represent as L, 100 we represent as C, 500 as D, and 1000 as M. So you have to learn these first, then we will start how to change these Hindu Arabic numbers into Roman numerals. So there are some basic rules that you have to learn before changing Hindu Arabic into Roman numerals. So the first rule we study that I, X, C and M. I, X, C, M cannot be repeated more than 3 times. These symbols cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Means this last limit of repetition is 3, not more than 3. So I is 1. If we talk about an example, how to change Hindu Arabic 2 into Roman numerals. So this is 2. IXM cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So 2 is represented as 2. 3 is represented as triple I. Now if you talk about 4. So 4 cannot be written as like this. This is the wrong way to written 4. So let's talk about the more rules. The second rule is a smaller numeral get added to greater numerals on its left. The smaller numeral gets added to greater numeral on its left. And the third rule is the smaller numeral gets subtracted from greater numeral on its right. Subtracted from greater numeral on its right. So let me talk. We represent 5 as V. Suppose we written 5. 5 is represented as V. So how we written 4? Written 4. If you want to written 4, then first you have to written 5. Let's talk the rule number 3. The smaller numeral gets subtracted. The smaller numeral is 1, gets subtracted from greater numeral on its right. The right portion we represent I and the greater numeral is V. So we have to subtract means 5 and I means 1. So this is 4. So these are the basic rules that you have to learn before changing the Roman Hindu Arabic numbers into Roman numerals. So number 6. 6 is equals to 5 plus 1. Means 5 plus 1 means V and 1 means I. So we represent 6 as like this. 7 we represent 5 plus 2. 7 we represented as V, I. Okay students? On to the fourth rule, the smaller numeral between two greater numerals gets subtracted from the numerals on its right. X, I, X. Okay, X represents 10 plus the smaller numeral between two greater numerals gets subtracted from the numerals on its right. Right portion is represents 10 and in between the smaller numerals. So 10 minus 1. If in case the both greater numerals are on the left and right side, then the subtraction will comes on the right side only. So 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. So these are the 4 basic rules that you have to learn before changing Hindu Arabic into Roman numerals. So let's change some numbers into the Roman numerals. So let's start. 7, 13, 19, 22, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 75, 100. So let's start with the 7. 7 means V. 5 plus 2. 5 means V and 2 means double I. Okay students. Moving on to the next 13. 13 means 10 plus 3. 10 means X. 3 means triple I. If the case given you is the 14, to written like this, XIV, because as past we learn about the rules, so the greater numerals is subtracted from its left. 19. 19 means 10 plus 9, XIX. Okay. 22. 22 means 10 plus 2. Many students say that 10, why 10 plus 10 plus 2? Because 10 is given as the symbols. 10 means X, 10 also X, I. Next is 25. 10 plus 5, XXV. 30 is written as 10 plus 10, XXX. 35 is also written like this. You have to solve this 35. Moving on to the 40. 40 can be written as XXXX. Answer students, this is the XXX is right or wrong? This is wrong because we learned from the rules that XXX, IXCM cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So this can be repeated as 4 times. This is the cross sign. This is not the X sign. How to written this? As we see that 40 will come closer to the 50. So we written as L. Of 40 means 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. So the smaller numerals get subtracted from the greater numerals on its left. So this comes as X, XL. Okay students, 45 can be written as XL is 40 and 5 is 45. 50 can be written as L. Okay students, moving on to the 75. 75 can be written as 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. 50 means L, 10 means X, X and V. Okay students. The next example we have is the 125. 125 can be written as 100 plus 25. Let's break into more pieces. 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. 100 means C. 10 means X, X and V. Okay students. So in the first class we learn about the basics. So we will see you in the next class. Goodbye. Best of luck.